Hey, what's up, guys? All these pieces sitting here in front of me are pieces for the Energevity of grater. So I got it as a cheese grater, but it's really for vegetables or whatever you need to grate. So it's just a food grater. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to put this thing together and do a full review and demo and everything on it. So show you all the pieces. I've got some cheese and some cucumbers and some carrots I'm gonna try to run through here just so we can see how it handles different textures and types of foods. So go ahead and figure out how to put it together. I think I got it. So it comes with this wheel that holds all the different blades. So each different type of blade has a pair. So this one has slicing blades. So you get 2 slicing blades in this holder. So it has shredding blades. There's some grinding blades here and a set of wavy blades. All in, you have 5 different sets of blades that you can use. So I'll show you real quick before I assemble this. They're really easy to change. I just took my thumb and pushed it on the inside and they pop off. You can actually just grab it on the outside too and pull them off. So easy enough. So here's your clear plastic housing. You just take your wheel that has their cutting blades in it and it just rests inside and pushes in there, and then your crank, push that in place and line it up, and then this knob, you just screw it to make it tight. And that's how it cranks. And then it has this insert slot here. You turn it the right direction, grab your base, and it just slides and locks into place really easy. When you need to take it out again, there's this little button right here. Push the button and it slides back out. And then here is your feeder to push in the food. And then the last cool thing to show you real quick before I actually get started is this bottom is a suction cup. So you have this little silver handle. I locked it down. I'm actually gonna pick up this table by the grater. So the suction cup on it is that strong. So when you're cranking on this thing, you don't have to worry about it moving and wobbling all over the place. We'll jump into it. I'll try to grade some things and we'll just see how it works out. It comes with 2mm shredding blades and 4mm shredding blades. I have the 2mm in here now. I've got a bag of baby carrots, so I'm just gonna grab some and throw them in. So let's give it a shot. Definitely clockwise, not counterclockwise. It did shred those up nice and fine. I kind of missed my plate a little bit and dumped them on the table. It did a good job doing that. Let's move on and try something else. All right, so I'm gonna do some cheese next. Before I get to that, I'm actually gonna take and rinse this thing out because I don't want carrots in my cheese. All right, to do that, just gonna leave that locked and push this button and take that out. So to give you an up close look at how these cleaned off with just a quick rinsing, there's a little bit of orange stain on there. Good news, these are dishwasher safe, so I'm gonna throw them in the dishwasher at the end of all of this and see how clean they come. But just wanna show you what it looks like before the dishwasher. Hindsight, I probably should have just shredded the cheese first or all the vegetables first. I don't really wanna cross cheese and vegetables. Baby carrots, plate for cheese, 4mm shredding blades. Pop these bad boys in here. Bam. Is it a fail if this is wet to shred cheese? Probably don't want to wet our cheese, right? Ooh, idea. Stay right here, camera. Know who this is a job for? Super wind force. Super wind force to the rescue. Yes. 4mm shredders on. Handle engagement. Tightening. Check. Locking. Check. Cheese catcher in place. Check. Cheese. Premium cheese. Fresh from the farmer's market. Check. All right. So 4mm shredding. Munster cheese. How does it smell? Smells delicious. Looks like they left a couple of specks of blue cheese on it. And something ain't right. What's wrong? Really glad I double checked that. It's wrapped in plastic. Guys, before you shred your premium cheese, make sure you check to make sure it's not wrapped in plastic. That's no good. It's not moldy though? Not moldy. And it's not cross-contaminated with blue cheese. I hope not. So, phew. Nobody wants blue cheese in their Munster. Okay, hold on. Let's turn. I want you to see in there. Look at the cheese. All right, let's go. Okay, wait, let's see what we got. So here's an up close look at 4mm shredded Munster cheese. Let's switch blades. That's good cheese. That's not a credit to the shredder, it's just good cheese. Now we're gonna slice some cheese. Just a few slices though. So we're gonna do this again. Handle off, shredding wheel out, blades off, and put to the side for washing. All right. Let's do some slicing. These ones you do have to be careful with. So these are really sharp and don't have that plastic edge guard. So be really careful. Don't just reach your hand on the insides. All right, push this back in place again. Tighten the handle. Monster in place. Spinning.
Four hands this
Okay.
time.
So here is small slices of Munster. It actually worked really good. They're small because that's the widest the block could actually fit in there, but those are actually really good slices. Probably works better with vegetables. Still good as a slice too. Oh, that's good. Wavy blade. All right. Now we wavy slice some cucumber.
That was fun to try, wasn't it?
Well, look at these wavy cucumbers. If you had potatoes, you make potato chips. I have a cucumber chip. All right, guys, so that's it. We made it through all of the attachments. I showed you absolutely everything about this food grater, cheese grater. It did a really good job. Made it through everything. The blades do good. Last thing to do is just to clean up. I think I mentioned earlier, everything is dishwasher safe. So I'm just gonna take everything, throw it in the dishwasher, and then call it a day.